Hi everybody, Elizabeth here from Petals and Parchment. Happy Sunday evening. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to hop on real quick and do a drawing. We have 2 kits up for grabs actually. There were 2 very nice ladies who volunteered their prize kits that someone who might not otherwise be able to get a kit could choose one on their behalf, and so that's what we're here to do a drawing for. So without further ado, let's get started. There's 2 winners this evening. Once the first person wins, I will remove their name from the drawing and pick a second person. Thank you so much to both of the ladies that donated their kits to someone else so that they can have fun. So let's get started. Good luck, everybody. All right, awesome. The first winner is Peter Petrovic. Okay, Peter, reach out to me on Facebook Messenger or through Ko-fi and let me know which kit you'd like from the shop. Peter Petrovic. Okay, and we're gonna spin again. And the second winner is Deline Berger. All right, thank you so much to everyone who entered, and thank you again to the 2 lovely ladies who offered their prizes to others. It's really sweet to see you be so generous with your gifts. Thank you everyone for being here, and happy Sunday. Bye.